Hello, and welcome to another video of mine. I'm Jonathan, and today we will be going over Ikigai maps. I'll be creating my own map today, and we're gonna touch base on a lot of important things in one's life. So I hope that you can learn something new from this video. So first, we're gonna be talking about what Ikigai even means. So the map itself is just a reason for being. What is your purpose in life, and how does everything in your life influence another thing in life? So for example, we have four bubbles. The outer banks of the bubble is what is something that you love, what is something that you're good at, what is something that you're passionate about, and how does it contribute to the world. Within those, you have outer banks, and in the outer banks you have what you're paid for, what is something you love, what is something you're good at, and how that helps the world. Then inside the bubbles you start getting into more things such as what is something that you're passionate about, and then your vocation, your profession, and your mission. We're going to be going more in depth with these things within my own map. I'll be working off of these specific topics and apply them to my own life and get more specific with how those topics surround my own life. We're going to be using these markers to work on our map. I'm going to be starting off the beginning sketch and just make the bubbles. Then I'll go in with the words and the topics, and then I'll be going over everything again so that you can better understand. I'm going to use black or dark blue to go in with the titles of every section. Okay, so this is my end results. You can't see it, but so I started off with what I love, and I love animals. And so what I'm good at science. I understood the concepts in my biology class, and I'm pursuing science for school. So I'm good at science. I'm not the best. I'm not like but like I can do it. I mean, what I get paid for, I don't have a job, but my future job was is I want to be a zoologist. So I put zoology, and then what the world needs, I put conservation for animals. So when those start to go hand in hand, such as what I love and what the world needs, mission is right in the middle. Right here. This is what I love. This is conservation, what the world needs, and my mission, I put God because I'm religious, and I felt that my mission in life is to keep Christianity alive. But I'm going over this now, and I'm just realizing that my mission is to save animals. But in a way, I feel like I'm still doing God's work because I'm preserving the life He created in the first place. So they go hand in hand, so I'm pretty happy about that. And then when I go over to what I love and what I'm good at, and passion falls right in the middle. What I'm passionate about is school. I enjoy going to school. It's my second home, and I have my friends there. And there's more to school than just going into a classroom. There's a lot of other things that go into school. So I would say school is my passion. And then when I go over to my job and what I'm good at, I put science and then zoology. That's like my job. So I would be getting paid for being a zoologist. And then vocation, I had, like you seen earlier in the video, I was researching what that was, and it basically was something that you're passionate for as a career. What do you want to do in life? And I put research. I want to do research so that I can use that knowledge for good for animals. And so I put research under my vocation. So I'm seeing a theme of how what I love, I'll be doing that in my job and in my life mission. Like, what is my purpose in life? And I just feel like it's to help animals. And I just feel like animals are misunderstood. Animals don't have a voice, and I want to be that voice for them. I want to be able to learn more about animals and cater towards their needs so that us as humans can do the responsible thing in caring for them and protecting them, because we only have that set of species and we've lost species in the past, and I don't want that to happen. So I really like that this map is helping me understand more about life and what is it that I need to do in order to succeed. Thank you so much, and I hope you all enjoyed this video.